Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to show you how to change product per page on WooCommerce shop page. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. If you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like e-commerce website, classified listing website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get started. Go to the website. This is an e-commerce website which I built only for this tutorial purpose, and currently I am visiting shop page. You can see this is the shop page and it shows only 9 products. In this tutorial I am going to show how you can change this number of product. Like if you want, then you can increase or decrease the product number here, and you can change the product row number as well. Currently it's 30 row. Okay, if you want, then you can change it, and this settings is common for all. That's why it's WooCommerce core feature, but sometimes you can see some difference if you use any premium theme or any other theme. Currently I am using Elementor, Hello Elementor theme. Okay, so go to the admin dashboard and hover over on appearance, click on customize. You can see some tabs are here like site identity, menus, home settings, header and footer, and WooCommerce. You have to check where is the WooCommerce. Okay, any theme you use, just check where is the WooCommerce, just click over here. Then you can see store notice, product catalog and product image checkout. Maybe you can see some difference here. Like currently it shows product catalog, but you can see here like shop page settings or archive page. Okay, so just check it, shop page settings, archive page or product catalog. This is the product catalog and click over here. Then shop page display, already I have made a tutorial on it. You can check my YouTube channel and WooCommerce tutorial playlist, then you will get it. Okay, now I want to change shop page number of product, and you can see this is the product per row. Currently you can see product per row 3 product. Okay, and row per page 1 2 3 and 3 row. Now I want to change it like product per row, I currently 3, I want to give here like 4. Then the product number will be changed. You can see currently it shows 4 products per row. Okay, and currently 3 row, I want to give here like 2 row. Okay, just check it. You can see 4 row and 4 column and 2 row. Just publish it. Then go to the shop page and refresh it, and you will see it will be changed. Okay, you can see it has been changed. Then again go to the shop page and you can change from here. Like I want to show like 2 product per row and I want to show like 3. Okay, you can see it has been changed. Now I want to change the theme, then I want to change the settings. Again go to the dashboard and appearance, themes. Just if I want to change another theme, like I want to give it Nivy, activate it, and then same way go to the appearance to customize. Okay, then just wait a few moments. Okay, you can see this is the WooCommerce and click over here. Then same settings, just product catalog. You can see sometimes you can see here shop page settings or shop page or archive page. Okay, so product catalog, and same way you can change it from here. You can see products per row and rows per page. Okay, again go to the admin dashboard and again I want to change another theme. Maybe then your idea will be clear about it. So go to the appearance and click on themes. Then I want to use like Ocean WP, which is a very popular theme. Just click and activate it. Then again go to the customize. This is the settings panel. Maybe you can see more option here like search where is the WooCommerce. This is the WooCommerce and click over here. Okay, then you can see this is the archive page. Okay, already I have told it. Sometimes you can see here shop page or shop and archive page. This is the archives and click over here. Okay, scroll down just and check. This is the archive page layout, and okay, you can see these settings layers some different. Okay, but functionality is the same. Product per page 12. I want to change it, like I want to give like 6 or 8. Okay, 8, and product column like 3 column. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, I want to give like 2 column. Okay, so publish it and go to the shop page, then check it. Okay, you can see it has been changed and it works perfectly. Then again, if you want, then you can change it from here again, like product per page 8. I want to give here like 9 product. Okay, then the product column will be 3. So publish it, visit the shop page and refresh it. Okay, you can see it works fine. So same way you can change the number of product. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.